All right, Ashley seems to be ready. You
No,
ready,
miss.
Ashley? You got the answers? You got any of them, Ashley?
No.
Rowan, you
I
got
don't
them?
know what to do.
Yes, miss.
All right. We'll soon come to you, Ashley. We will get you to it. Ashley, Rohan, what did you get?
10, 15, and 20, miss.
Very good. So Rohan understands. All right, let's get through now in Ashley. It says how many halves, thirds, and fourths are there in the number 5? Tell me how a half is written, Ashley.
A half?
Yes, how is it written?
Or 1/5?
No, Ashley. How is a half written, Ashley? Don't write it, Miss Duncan.
No,
Yet.
I'm waiting on her to say, and then I write.
Yes, Ashley.
Oh, 1/5.
No, Ashley. How is half written, Ashley? Half, Ashley. If I divide something in half, how many parts do I divide it in?
2 parts.
There, so it's 1/2. So please, Miss Duncan, put 1/2.
That's that first.
No, you said
5. You said 5,
You're thinking
Ashley.
5.
Oh,
You're thinking to what you're saying 5.
the brain asleep.
Oh, wow.
Oh, shush. It soon get the rest, Ashley. Soon get the rest. All right, how do you write a third, Ashley?
1/3.
Please, Miss Duncan, write that. Thank you, Ashley. Please write that, Miss Duncan, 1/3. And how do you write a fourth, Ashley?
1/4.
All right, write that for me, please, Miss Duncan, as well.
Get the answer now.
Work, you
And
tell
it's
me how
so
it work out.
simple.
Ashley, work, you guide me, Ashley, because me don't know nothing about fractions, no, me. I'm your student. Guide me.
20.
Guide me. Huh?
20.
No, work out how many halves are in the number 5. That is the first part of the question. How many halves are in the number 5?
How many halves are in the number 5?
Yes, which operation in mathematics are we going to use?
Oh gosh, Miss me ask one.
Remember, I told you, Ashley, there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Which one are we going to use? Division. Thank you, Ashley. Division. So we are going to say, tell me what we're going to say. 5 divided by
5
what?
divided by 2.
Well, that's true, but write it as 5 divided by 1/2. Because we're working with the half. Right. 5 divided by 1/2 is really 5/2. You're right. So please put Miss Duncan half. And then Miss Duncan, you're going to balance it now and put 5/1. Put it as, no, yes. All right, go ahead. 5/1 divided by 1/2. So Ashley, what did I say in the earlier question to this? Can I just work this one out just like this? Or do I need to change the sign?
No, you have to change it to a multiply. So
and
we're going to split it. So
all right.
put a 2.
And then flip the fraction after. Very good.
Yeah.
All right, so Mr. Duncan, please write equal, right? 5/1.
1
multiplied by 2
by 2
over
over
1.
1.
And what's your answer there, Ashley? 2/1, Miss Duncan, 2/1?
Yes.
What's the answer now, Ashley, for that one?
The answer is
It's 5 times 2.
10. 10.
Right, 10/1 is the same as 10. Very good. So quickly now, Ashley, work out the other 2 because we need to forget them 2. Work out the other 2 and tell me the answers. Rohan has already told me. And Rohan, you understand how to work it out, don't it, Rohan?
Yes, miss.
Very good. So Ashley, work out the other 2 of them. So you're going to divide 5 by 1/3 next, and then by 1/4.
Oh, okay. Mhm. So the other one is 15.
Very good, Ashley. Very
15.
good.
And
And the
then
other one
the
is?
other one, I'm going to flip the 4. Flip the 4. 5, 20. The 20.
Very good, Ashley. Very good. So you see, Amas, you get this little concept right here, so Ashley.
Yes, the brain that
Very
has also that.
All
Yeah.
right. So look here now. You see, when it asks you how many are in, which operation should we use? How many dash dash that are in the number? Which operation are we going to use? Is it add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Divide. Very good. So the question, they might not tell you use divide, you know, Ashley, but they say how many are in. So you must know that that means divide. If they say share, you know, so that means divide. You understand,
Okay.
Ashley? So say, for example, you have 5 pieces of chicken in the pot for your family, and you're going to share it up, that everybody get 1 piece. All right? What did you do? You divide it up, don't it?
Yes.
You share it up. Just like even if you have a pizza and you cut it in a 16 slices, as was on the free session that we did on Saturday, then you are sharing up the 1 pizza. You understand?
Yes, miss.
So certain words let us know which operation to use. And as you move on further, you're going to see, you're going to learn about product, sum, you know, minus, because remember now that add, when we say add, it can mean all together, it can mean in all, it can mean sum. You know, when we say subtract, we mean take away, we mean minus. When we say divide, we know that that is share up. You understand? When we say product, we know that that is multiply. When we say difference, which operation is that one? Difference. Find the difference between. Which operation is that one? Rohan?
Subtract, miss.
Subtract. Very good. So Ashley and Rohan, you will learn all these terms, you know, as you go along. And Rohan knows some of them. I know you know some of them already, Ashley. All right? So thank you so much for your patience.